Okay, here we are. In case nobody got all that, couldn't be easier. This was a Knorr Side, just the butter flavor, because that's all I had laying around. And I just cooked up the Knorr Side, and I put 2 Oscar Mayer bun length beef hot dogs in there. Ooh, and I let it sit for a few minutes. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at that. Oh man, that's getting nice and thick. Now to further dress it up, we got a piece of bacon that is left over from, purposely for this, from me and Trailblazer Tim's giant great bacon cook-off giveaway. So what we're going to do is we're just going to crumble up this bacon and we're going to put it in here with the Knorr Side. Oh man. Ooh. And mix it up. Now, nothing I cook is ever complete without a little hot sauce. So we're going to put just a drop of hot sauce in there. Mix her up. I think we're ready. Man, it's still hot. It's still in the high 80s out here. Got to have some cold water. Okay, so we got some lunch. Oh man, it's been sitting for a few minutes. Let's see what we got. Wow, this couldn't be easier. It's a great chill space that I got out here. I'm in my single nest hammock that I really don't use very much. I'm gonna start hammock camping more when it gets cooler, but let's see what we got. We got some of the Knorr Side, we got some of the hot dogs and bacon. You know, surprisingly, that kind of dresses up the drab butter flavor of the noodles quite a bit. It's still really hot, so you know, I'm gonna have to let it cool down before I finish it all, but man, this will fill you up. And this makes about 3/4 of a canteen cup full. And it's pretty good. Now all I had was the Knorr butter flavored sitting around, but I have like 100 different kinds of flavors, you know, chicken flavor, beef flavor, southwestern flavor, I think. And then this would probably be better with the Knorr rice side. But hey, I had these laying around and I figured, I couldn't get it together to do my Depression era, but this is kind of Depression era. It's noodles and hot dogs and a hunk of bacon. And it's really pretty good. So I'm gonna continue snacking on this. And then I'm gonna take a little break, lay in my hammock, see if I can cool off a little bit, because it's still in the high 80s here, and I'm sweating. So I'll be back with you in a few minutes. Well, enough of that. Let's get out of here. All right, here's our campsite. Never know I was there. That's how it's supposed to be. See you on the trail.